Hello students, how are you? Fine? Okay, I'm also fine. Now, standard 4th, subject maths in chapter 4. Tick, tick, tick. Okay, we have to learn about. Anyone guess about it? Tick, tick, tick. That means we have to learn here about very good. You are right. We learn about the clock. Okay. So, when you get up in the morning and ready for school, you have to say at the wall and on the wall. The clock is hanging and it's showing time. Okay, you know about this. And when you were in the school, you also waiting for your favorite teacher's period, and after then you waiting for this is time also, and your leaving time also. But now you are at home and we are here, so we have to work from home, okay, because the coronavirus. But that is the time for study. So we have to learn about clock here. See here, the clock is showing time 7 o'clock. You are in standard 4th also, so you have to know about the clock and how the time going so and so and so. Okay, see here, we have to start. Pankaj and Sanya were discussing whose home is farther from school. I have to walk for 5 minutes to reach school. I just walk for 2 minutes to reach school. Impossible, your home is farther from school. But I checked my watch. I start for school at 7 o'clock. Here is 7 o'clock. When I reach school, the minute head points at 2. See here. Okay, here is time showing 7, number of 7 and point of 2. But here is 7 o'clock. So, should not it be 2 minutes past 7 or 7 on 2? Okay, so from this page you have to learn about minutes and hours. This is the part of clock. Okay, so we have to learn about here minute, hours and second of the time. Okay, see here, you are wrong. You reach school at 7:10. How? Can you see this thin line between the numbers? Yes. So what? The minute hand moves across 10 lines after 12. So it is 10 minutes past 7 or 7:10. See here, 7, 7:10. We have to see in this clock. I start for 7 at school at 7. I reach at 7:05. See the minutes hand move across 5 lines. See here, here is 7 and 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So when the hands moves across 5 lines. See here, When we see in the clock, here is 7 and 10, here is 7 o'clock, and here is 7 and 5. You have to know about this. But when the time is here right, this is the practice time. 3 different friends read time from clock. Who is right? See here. It's 12 and 3. Chetu. Bittu says it's 12:15. Pinky says 3 o'clock. 7:25. Second one. 5 and 7. 5 and 35. See in this. 3 and 35. 7 and 3. 7 and 15. So you find out which number is right from the clock. See here, small hand and big hand. Clearly seen here. Here is small hand, hour hand, and big hand, minute hand. In this clock also you have to find right time. In this also. So you have to write here which time is right. Okay. So here you have to tick out. Okay. Now second one, show the following times in the clock. आपको यहाँ पे जो बॉक्सेस में टाइम दिया है इसके हिसाब से आपको यहाँ पे हैंड्स बनाने हैं. स्मॉल हैंड्स एंड बिग हैंड्स. हियर इज 3 o'clock and 10 minutes passed away. So we have to do here small hand like our hand and 10 minutes. That means we have to put here big hand means minute hands on 2. Okay. So we have to write here 3, 12, 1, 2 and 3. Here is 3 and 10. So we have to put here small hand here. So this clock showing 3 and 10. 3 and 10 o'clock. Here you write 6:40. Here is 6 hour hand. 40 means 5, 10, 15, 25, 20, 25, 30, 35 and 40. Okay. That's why you have to put the time in this clock. You also put here 4:45. Here you start from 4 o'clock and after then you have to go at 45. Where is 45? 45 is on 9. Okay. In 2:20. This clock we have to put small hand and big hand. We have to put here small hand and bigger hand on 4. 3:15. Here we put small hand on 3 and 15 is also on 3 because here is 3 showing 15. Now in this clock we have to start from 7. Here is 7 o'clock and we have to put here big hand in 35. That means we have to put here on the 7 o'clock 7 and 35 minutes. 7 o'clock 35 minutes. That means here is small hand we have to put here and big hand also put here. We have to find 7:35. So you have to put here both of the hand, minutes hand and hour hand. Okay. So do you like sky watching? If yes, this one should interest you. At what time does sun rise? You have to write here in this clock and time also. Where does sun set? You have to write here and show in the clock. Okay. So does the sun rise and set at the same time every day? Look at the newspaper and see the time sunrise and sunset in different months. Okay. So in this chapter you have to learn about the clock and how clock showing time. Okay. So are you enjoy this class today? Okay. So thank you students.